Alright guys, looks like we got a phone with a bad LCD. It's doing just like this. You can see it kind of come on, not come on. But it's definitely talking to the computer here. But we're not getting any response. So we'll figure it out, okay? Alright guys, looks like everything has been disconnected, as you can see. Now we'll try to disconnect her again, connect it back. We'll see if this helps. Make sure everything's firmly down. And now, we don't need the camera. Nope guys, that is a bad LCD. Alright, this is testing out the new screen. Works like a champ. We'll go ahead and install this guy. This guy's going to be $100 for a new LCD, and we'll install new glass as well, just because the part comes with it. There's not another way to do this repair. Alright, well we got her all back together. See if went ahead and installed the red home button. Let's see if she works. Bam. No problem. Just got to put the rest of the way together. Alright, so this is a black iPhone with red sides, red Ghost Armor back. Actually, a red button. It's pretty cool. These are $15 add-on.